693 bombs for Josh, part 43. Let's go. So down here in the ARTGIRL shader strings within shader number 8, which is the bombs for Josh shader, here's the main entry point function. Inside of render collected binary tiles, this is no longer a lookup table. It is the index into the lookup table now. And then down here, if we have a non-zero geometry tile, then we've changed around the code because we need to use two lookup tables. If the geometry is not killed, it's intact, then we want to use the v16 to geometry graphic lookup table. And if the geometry is killed, we want to use the v16 to destroyed geometry lookup table. So the alto graphics are alternate geometry for when a bomb kind of explodes part of the game, right? So BU27, that is a bit packing unit, and it's a U27, which is just a joke, right? UINT 27, because we only use 27 bits of the UINT 32, and this represents a 9x3 binary bitmap that represents one of the 1/3 partitions of the 9x9 graphic that is inside of this lookup table. So we covered the math before, but we have a little bit of time. So the math for here, right? Every graphic is encoded in 3 UINT 32s. So when we take the tile value, we have to seek by a stride of 3 because there's three subsections to the graphic, and then we add the relative offset to which subsection we're on, right? This right here tells us which subsection we're on. So this is 0 for the top subsection, 1 for the middle subsection, and then 2 for the bottom subsection. So this is it. This is it. We are just rendering the geometry in two different states, depending on if there is a damage modifier on top of that geometry tile. Down here is what we did previously, and we got footnotes, and we have what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, go here to Ninja Coder. We are on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. Technical demos are here on Weeb Coder. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are down here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game, and I'm also making a server. So like and subscribe.